there's still something apart when you're using wired speakers versus wireless speakers. I mean, they just sound different to me, even my dad. We just think that, you know, wired speakers are set really differently. Which is one of the reasons why we got the Martin Logan 40i. It's discontinued, but it's still on Amazon for sale. Set a link down below. You can get it through Amazon if ever you want to. I mean, wired speakers are really different. These speakers did arrive last week, and we happened to do like a quick unboxing and a test run with it, and here it is. Yep. Let's test this out real quick. So yeah, that was that. It was a quick one. Over here you have the Martin Logan signature, you know, the ribbon tweeter. It's sealed in, well protected. Steel plate, 1 inch by 1.4. It's a ribbon tweeter. And here you have the mid-range driver, the improvement from the previous models, and it is a 5 1/2 inch aluminum cone. Of course, you have here the Martin Logan badge in the middle. Down here you have 2 parallel bass drivers, very, very good quality. 6 1/2 aluminum cone. As you can see here at the very top, it is kind of angled, you know, just for that Martin Logan kind of aesthetic kind of speakers, which is, I think, pretty cool. Over here at the back, you have gold-plated binding posts, you know, a very Martin Logan kind of thing. Bridging clips. There's a large part at the bottom for airflow and removable floor spikes for extra stability. And this thing weighs 49 pounds. And the prices is reasonable. Not cheap, but reasonable. It was discontinued at $1,300, and now you can find it on Amazon for $780 each. And that is as of today, the 5th of April, 2023. But all of that is all tested, and as you heard earlier, I mean, it's pretty loud. I mean, I'm using the Sennheiser mic, and I did lower the decibels in post just a tad bit, because, you know, you blow off your speakers, or computer speakers, or cell phone speakers, or wherever you're listening to, because, you know, it just depends on what kind of device you're listening to it. What kind of email is that? Lowered down the decibels probably around -5 or -10. I don't know, I'll see in post because I'm just right there. You know, got 2 Martin Logan 40i speakers for the front. Might as well get bookshelves, right? Got the there, the Martin Logan 35xti. Got 2 of them, they just came out today, and we're just gonna unbox it real quick, okay? Come on, let's go. Oh. Where's my knife? Where's my knife? Found it. Oh. Looks like a good partner for the main speakers. I'll just do the unboxing on the other one and then just put it in front. That's good. Here goes. Oh, wrong side. Here.
Burning the bridge that keeps us. I'm here and I'm feeling exaggerated, that's what you assume. The story's over now, I must conclude. I am conflicted, watching where I step still, hanging in the balance, not the life I want to live. I want to take it all, standing tall, fear away the person you are.
Pretty good?
Yeah. Satisfied.
Satisfied? Pretty punchy bass.
Yeah.
Pretty punchy bass with the bookshelves. Sound great. Well, how did that sound? That sounded amazing, didn't it? It sounded really cool. What I think, it's just a personal preference because, you know, I mean, wired speakers are pretty much different when it comes to connectivity. Of course, I mean, technology is growing now these days. I mean, for stereos for 7.1, 7.2, now there's 9 point something, 9.2. But just sticking to 7.2, I have those 2 front speakers and now the bookshelves. They all sound great, they all sound amazing. Wired speakers. If you ever are in the market for getting these kind of speakers, link down below. Amazon affiliates. I don't make any commissions out of it, but just for you to check out and see if ever you do want these kind of speakers. And they still sound amazing, even though they're discontinued, both of them. The bookshelves are also discontinued at 2019, but of course for today, for that kind of price, why not? Hope you liked the video. Just a quick one. I just wanted to quickly share these speakers with you guys. Catch you guys in the next one, all right? Bye.